Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on volume up and power key all together. And now just keep holding power off until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. So if you truly want to reboot into safe mode in which all third-party applications will be deactivated, just tap on OK and wait until you are in this safe mode. And now just draw your unlock pattern if you have one, otherwise you will be just redirected to safe mode directly, but I do have, so I need to enter it. And now you can use this phone in safe mode. So as you can see, all third-party applications are deactivated. You can detect some issues and problems, and then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, all you have to do is to tap on volume up and power key one more time and then select restart. And now again draw the unlock pattern. And now you can use your phone with all apps active as you are back in the normal mode. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.